Okay, let's try to install this windshield wiper motor. But first, I have to test fit this thing, make sure that everything is going to line up properly without scratching anything if possible. There we go. Yeah, that's going to look great. But first, I took off whatever gasket material they had this area here. So I want to use some butyl tape, dum-dum tape as I call it, and ensure a proper seal there. I always like to give myself a little extra material just in case. A lot easier to cut that off than to add. I don't know if this is going to be too thick for this purpose, but it's not that hard to trim or to flatten. And that's the whole idea. Once you install this and you tighten things, this will flatten and it provides a great seal. And I'm going to cut it to somewhat to size here. You can feel the little ledge where it's going to contact the bulkhead. And this is going to, again, the bulkhead, the firewall is going to be against it. So you will really not be able to see much of any of this. And if you're more ambitious than I am, you may want to remove the excess. That may not be a bad idea, actually. I don't know if you can see here's the butyl tape. And you can see how it is already just by pushing it a little bit with my finger here. It is compressing enough to ensure a good seal. Alrighty, let's get this into place here. Again, carefully. There's one bolt down here that is going to be a little more challenging than the rest, but no big deal. Okay, so there's one, just to hold this guy in place. It's the other one. And we have a washer, brand new washer, and a nut. And then we have this nut and bolt all the way down here. This one is a tight fit to get into that hole. Well, let's see if we can give it some help with a socket. Well, having the right socket would be helpful. I believe it's the number 10 millimeter. Yep. Having a ratchet helps. So there you have it. I think it's quite the transformation. I mean, this thing was in pretty bad shape, Fortunately, these motors are very durable, and they clean up pretty nicely, as you can see. So there's no need, if the motor is working, there's no need to buy a new one. I mean, you know, might as well have the original part. So anyway, I hope this is helpful to some of you. And this project at this point is not completely done, but it gives you an idea of what you can accomplish with basically just some cleaning and some spray paint. So and you can see there the before pictures. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care.